Or you may come. You may want to come here so you get a picture. Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
And
the
you sit
picture
over
is
there.
Okay.
Okay.
I sit over here.
Yes.
And you sit over here.
Okay, yes. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, this picture is good for background.
So what do I really think about Jack?
Yeah.
Um,
And how is it? You will come from this place?
how did he come from?
Yeah.
I think he actually came from a she. So there's a woman that when I was going to I got a certificate in concentration in dermatology. So I had, as part of the coursework, I had to be partnered with somebody on campus. It happened to be the janitor on campus who was female,
Oh, yeah.
who was Chinese. But she was very, very vocal, I guess, about like what she believed in, and she was very upset about. This was the time, I don't remember it happened all the time, but on the news they were saying something, and there was this whole thing about, China, Taiwan, and she was really upset about it. Like, oh, Taiwan, I don't know why they say Taiwan when it should be China, right? And it was very shocking to me that she had such like a big reaction to it. So then I was trying to kind of get into her mindset of, well, how did this even happen, and why is there sort of like a divide? And I think she kind of inspired the Jack character in the sense that, like, I felt like she was kind of, the way she was brought up or the things that influenced her were obviously from, what she had heard either from family or from her education. And so I felt kind of similarly in my Jack that it's like the way, whatever he learned or grew up, and that's kind of how he was thinking in the way he just saw things in general. So that was kind of basically where he came from. I also wanted him in the character in the book as a character because I wanted to have that sort of the family and then how, like the kind of I don't know, the trigger, right? The trigger for like how would they react with him there? Are you sure? And he kind of reflects themselves, so like they see him and then how they react kind of shows who they are, and how they perceive him influences him. So it's kind of an interesting dynamic of the relationships. Does that make sense?
Yeah. And I think that it's a kind of man that I just talked. It's a kind of man that should not take a shared responsibility for the messaging. Yeah. That's why the important, why the transitional justice is so important. It can make people really understand the issue.
Okay, before we open the question to the audience, could you please move for this